Hello everyone, I am Ramesh Babu. In this video tutorial I will show you how to paint the eagle head in watercolor painting. This tutorial is for beginners, so anyone can try this and enjoy the painting process. I have already drawn the rough outline sketch. I am using yellow ochre for the nose to paint the first coat. Leave the highlights area. I am using the same shade for the eye also. Make sure you don't paint the eye highlights area. I am mixing the cobalt blue and burnt sienna and applying a light coat layer only in the depth areas like this. Use a light coat of burnt umber to paint the body feather layer like this. Paint some thick color of burnt sienna and yellow ochre to the nose area to create the depth like this. Mix burnt sienna and black to paint the dividing line for the nose area like this. Paint the same shade for the nose hole and eyeball and the outer ring of the eye also like this. Mix cobalt blue and a small amount of burnt sienna to paint the feather like this. Be quick and use your wet brush to wipe it out. It will create a texture effect like this. Paint burnt umber for the body feather like this and leave some white area here and there. And apply the black shade over on it. We'll mix and create some beautiful effect. I like this kind of effect, that is the reason I do this. Wipe the color using vertical wet brush strokes like this. It will create a smooth fur effect. Add the depth near to the eyes and all other areas where it is necessary. Wipe the color with your wet brush like this. Add depth shades to the nose by using burnt sienna and yellow ochre color like this. Add black shade to the eye like this. Add the final depth wherever it is necessary. There are no rules to do like this. You can do the way you like. Make sure you are enjoying the painting process. That is the very important part. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you.